Hi there, my name is Arne Michael and I'm the president of German Standard. And you may wonder why I'm here. I have been in the modern type wooden flooring industry since the early 90s. That's why I know a lot about the history and development of modern type wooden floorings. But actually, do you know which one would be the best choice? Well, let me give you some insights and maybe provide you with some answers. Laminate flooring was invented in Europe in 1985, but not really suitable for tropical climates. It was replaced about 10 years ago by LVT, luxury vinyl tiles. But also that product is not ideal, it's not perfect. That's why now, with stone plastic composite, we have the perfect product for you, which will take all your pain points away and is extremely durable and sustainable. 10 years ago, luxury vinyl tiles, or LVT, came on the market. Of course, they have great qualities in terms of being waterproof, 100% and 100% termite proof. But LVT is made 100% out of plastic, PVC, which means that after some time, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, the floor will start to buckle, to cup, or to shrink, or even to crack in the worst case. So actually, LVT is not a good product, and you can see that it's very easy to bend. Like this, just with my own hands, I can do that. But 5 years ago, the perfect flooring product came on the market, stone plastic composite, SPC. It's extremely wear resistant against scratches. It's 100% termite proof, 100% waterproof. The material, the base material, is mostly stone, and PVC is only 25%, and 5% are various wear layers. So that's why we are so confident to give you a 30-year warranty for residential use on our German standard SPC. So now you can understand why SPC has become the most popular wooden look type flooring in 2020. So, and if you want to know more about it, please come and watch our next episode next Saturday.